So basically today I'm working on my Luna AI agent project. Okay, yeah, so basically it will do my whole computer task and everything. And I got an error which I asked, but there is a message pop-up that says baseline model quota reached. I know previously when I working on that using Gemini, there is no quota limit, right? Only on Claude and GPT OSS over 20 billion model that got an issue because now you can't use more than model quota limit. So in this video I will explain how to get rid of that part. Okay, for that what you have to do is to click on enable averages. When you click on enable averages, it will move to this section. Okay, now here look at this. There is a section named enable AI credit averages and other are model quota. Okay, so yeah, they have different number of quotas and they have different number of tokens limit. So in Gemini 3.1 Pro High, the token takes more data as compared to Gemini 3 Flash and Gemini 3.1 Pro Low. Same here in Claude Sonnet, it takes low as compared to Claude Opus 4.6. If you have something that can done using Sonnet, you can go with Sonnet instead of Opus. Okay, keep that in mind. And now let me just explain you how to increase that part. For that, what you have to do is to just enable the AI credit overages. Now, if you can see here, I have total 1000 credits left. And how I get it? So basically, it will done using the plans you have purchased on Gemini. So if you have a simple plan, you will get 200 credits. If you have Pro plan, you will get 1000 credits. And if you have ultra plan, you will get 25,000 of credit, monthly credit. Okay, yeah, so it can renewed after the month ends. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, and one more thing. So basically how it works is when your model quota finished, you can just use the additional quota that is given by this, that is overages. Okay, so you can use that quota to extend the limit and you can use that part here. Okay, so yeah, the quota is different for different models you are using. Like if you use Claude Opus 4.6, it will take around 50 to 60 tokens at a single time. But if you are using Gemini 3.1 Pro High, it will take around 25 to 30 tokens. So keep that in mind. Okay, now here look at this. I have no quota limit. Okay, and now I am asking to fix this part. It's working. So yeah, now it is using my overages data limit. Okay, and now if I just move to the same page again, I got this only available AI credit is 978 only. So what it means is around 22 credits has been finished using the single time using Gemini 3.1 Pro High. So keep that in mind before using. Okay, and you have to use it very precise and perfectly because now you don't have unlimited times of Gemini 3.1 Pro High. Okay, so I suppose you understand this part. And in future, if there is any cache or any way to achieve infinite quota, I will just try to provide you the video as soon as possible. Okay, so keep that in mind and yeah, happy coding.